Welcome to our English class. Today's lesson is A Man Who Loves Trees. This is from Unit 5, Lesson 4. From this lesson, you can be able to read and understand text, ask and answer questions, infer meaning from context, write answer to questions, write short paragraphs. Tree planting is the process of transplanting tree seedlings, generally for land reclamation purpose. Trees contribute to their environment over long periods of time by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate change, conserving water, preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. During the process of photosynthesis, trees take in carbon dioxide and produce oxygen we breathe. There are some keywords for you. You can use the keywords to read the text easily. First is sapling. Sapling means a young tree. Gigantic, huge, mission, an important job. Read some text about Kartik Poramanik. At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Poramanik. He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. His passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. He has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many of the trees are now 35 to 40 years old. Now, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who is Kartik Poramanik? Kartik Poramanik is a hairdresser by profession but a nature lover by heart. How do you understand that he is a nature lover? He planted hundreds of trees in his village and still he continues planting trees as many as he can. So he is a nature lover. Why did he plant trees? There were hardly any trees in his village. Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Kartik began his tree planting mission. Now there is a individual work for you. Select true or false. If false, give the correct information. Number 1. He planted the first tree 50 years ago. You see, the answer is false. So, the correct answer is he planted the first tree 40 years ago. Number B. Kartik borrowed money from others to plant trees. The answer here is false. The correct answer is he paid all the expenses himself. Number C. He would plant trees around his hut only. No, he planted trees around the village. There are more questions for you. The question is, even today, he continues planting trees as many as he can. The answer is true. Now some other activities for you. Choose the best answer. Kartik was a by profession. Kartik was a by profession. Kartik was a hairdresser by profession. Some of Kartik's trees are big and gigantic. Some of the trees are 35 to 40 years old. There is a homework for you. The question is, what do you understand by the saying, a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? A man, that means Kartik Poramanik, who is a hairdresser by profession and he is almost illiterate, but he has planted several trees and he makes a donation to nature. This is a very utmost duty of every human being, that we can plant some trees and make the nature green and make the nature live suitable for us. So thank you all students, and there is a welcome for the next class.